Okay, everybody. So I am, first of all, I'm Kira, in case you guys don't know, and I wanted to do this DIY I found on Pinterest. It is basically how to cure your dry lips with a DIY lip exfoliator. I'm all about DIY stuff. I hate spending a lot of money on chapstick, even though lip gloss is probably one of my vices. I have like a little container full of lip jars, lip gloss, no kidding. And it's ridiculous. And every Christmas, birthday, I always want lip gloss. I think it's something about the littleness of it. But anyway, I have really, really cracked lips. Here's a picture right here of the cracked lips. And you can see they're dry, and then last night I actually peeled off some skin. Bad idea, very, very bad idea. So anyway, I wanted to see if I could do this because some of the people that have commented on it have said that they like it, that they've tried it, makes their lips kissable soft. Some people say it doesn't last. My husband believes that it's just to get the dry skin, but then it's not a blocker for the weather. So we'll see, we'll give it a go. All right, so let's do first, we gotta mix together and apply to lips and rinse with cool water. This other person said to just brush the lips afterwards, so I might try that. So let's begin with first 1 tablespoon of, let's do the brown sugar first because it'll be easier to do brown sugar. I just got the regular cane brown sugar, what I had in my cupboard. Let's see here. And then I want to do a tablespoon. So I got my tablespoon right here. I'm going to open this up a little bit. This is my first like DIY tutorial video, so forgive me if I'm not doing it right, but here we go. 1 tablespoon. Now I'm going to take the recommendation of some of the other comments on here that they said they doubled the tablespoon of brown sugar because that's actually the exfoliant part. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So right off the bat, I'm just doing it differently. Because I'm like a rebel, you know, I don't follow directions often. But anyway, here we go. All right, now let's do the oils because that'll be easier to get off. Honey is the thickest and it's hard to get out of a tablespoon. So we'll do 1 tablespoon exactly of olive oil. I just have regular pure olive oil that I got from Costco. Put that in there. All right, next we're gonna do the tablespoon of honey. Okay. That broke, so that's okay there. Oh my God, honey takes forever. I am impatient. You guys might learn as you watch my videos. I'm like really impatient. I just want to go in there and scoop it out, but here we go. Just doing this, and okay, that looks about a tablespoon. What do you think? All right, let's mix that in there. Oh, it just fell right out. So it's definitely easier to do after the olive oil. So sugar, olive oil, then the honey. And then it says mix together. So we're gonna mix it together. Looks like some form of Mexican candy that I used to eat growing up. And there's a little tidbit for you. I'm half Mexican, just in case you guys are wondering. I get that question all the time. Like, am I Chinese or am I mixed with Asian? You know, what's my ethnicity? Because, but I'm half Mexican and I'm half African American. So I was raised with my mom, and we would have these sugary sweet candies that I'd get from a store that I can't pronounce the name of. Sadly, I don't speak Spanish, but I'm learning un poquito. Later, I'll do a little song for you guys and show you how much I know of it. All right, well, I guess that's mixed together enough. It's kind of sticky, and we'll just see if we can get it a little bit better here. All right, what do you think? Is that good? I think that should be good. So I'm gonna go and apply it to my lips here. I'll just do this right here since I'm here. Take this, and this is kind of interesting. We'll just apply it to the lips. It's really not as easy to do. I don't want it in my mouth. I should probably use a tool for this, but here you go. The one thing I forgot was a napkin, so you guys are just getting the raw footage right here of me trying to do DIY stuff, which isn't unusual, but here we go. So it doesn't say apply how much, so I'm just rubbing the eyelids, like so. You see? Okay. Over here. A little bit more on top. Got some in my mouth. It's sweet, but still, I don't want it in my mouth. Okay, now that the sugar is getting on there, pretty good. Okay. Okay, here it is. Can you see it? Clearly I don't wear makeup because I don't apply things, so that's, if any girls want to give me makeup tutorials and things like that, definitely. I'm a 39-year-old woman who has worn makeup about 3 times in her life. So, here we go. All right, well, I'm gonna let that rest for a little bit. I'm gonna go upstairs and rinse it off with my toothbrush. Just brush it. I have an electric toothbrush, the Sonicare. I don't think you guys want to see me brushing my lips, but if you do, next time leave a comment and I will do it for you. But I'll come back, I'll check in and show you what it looks like with the after picture. Okay, here we go. Hey guys, so I'm back. So I don't think that it worked that well. I don't know if you can see. Not my nose hair, sorry. See how it's still like right there? It's still kind of dry and dry skin. So I don't know if I didn't use enough of the mix, because there's awfully still a lot left. Let's see if you can see it. There we go. Yeah, so there's a lot of mix still left in it. And I followed it, but maybe I should have listened to some of the other people that wrote. They said they left it on for 20 minutes. I just put it on, and as you can see, sloppily, and then I brushed my teeth, and maybe that wasn't the way to go. So anyway, I'm going to say no to this for me, but that just might be because of my lips and my dryness, that maybe I need something more like castor oil or vitamin E oil on a daily basis, and I think that that might work. But oh well, thanks for the person who posted this. Let's see, it came from tipsforher.com, so I appreciate the recipe, and I gave it a go, and I'm glad that a lot of people like it. It's just not my thing, so I'll have to try and find another one. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys stay tuned for our next DIY with Kira. Stay.